Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Lily.
Look, the sun is shining so bright today. Tweet, tweet. Did someone say adventure? I want to come too.
Of course, Mia. Let's all go together.
Wow! Look at all these pretty flowers! But wait, where did this path go?
It looks like it goes to the old oak tree. I've never been there before.
Then let's find out. But remember, stay together. What's that noise? Is it a monster?
No, silly. It's just the wind blowing through the trees.
Phew! You scared me, Ben.
Look! A little wooden box.
Open it, Lily. Maybe it's full of honey.
Or maybe it's full of sparkly stones. It says, for true friends who always stick together.
Ow! That's us! We'll always be best friends. Let's wear our friendship bracelets every day to remember this adventure.
And next time, maybe we'll find her. We explore the wonders here, banish every doubt and fear.
Great job learning with Growsmart.123. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep growing smart.